Now, when two Luxembourgers greet each other, they don't always go, Moyen, wie geht it? Gut. And dir?
Yes. Sometimes I hear them say something like, Salut, salut.
Right.
What is that?
They're saying salut to each other, but in a sort of Luxembourgish shorthand, which sounds like salut, salut.
Ooh, interesting.
I always thought they were saying adi to each other. Greeting each other by saying goodbye? I don't know. Maybe they don't like each other. There's people I wouldn't mind saying goodbye to as soon as I see them. Another shorthand way they greet each other is by going on yo.
On yo.
No, sorry. So this person goes on, and then this person goes yo. You two try it. On.
Salut.
No, he says on, and you say yo. Yo.
I know. How about if I be the yo and you be the on?
Yeah, good idea. What? You're supposed to say on. Fine. What if you both just say sari to each other?
Okay. Salut, salut.
On?